In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circle text in Canva. This is a fun and effective way to make your designs more dynamic and aesthetic, perfect for social media posts, logos, or any creative project you're working on. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, start by opening Canva and going to your design project where you wish to add the circle text. Once you're in there, the first thing you're going to do is click on the text box. Positioning and selecting the text correctly is crucial because this is what you'll be transforming into circular text. Make sure you have your text highlighted. It's important to clearly see what you're working with as we proceed to the next steps. Now, with your text selected, look to the toolbar above and click on the Effects button. The Effects menu in Canva is where you can play with different text appearances and apply a variety of transformations. The options here allow you to modify how your text looks in relation to your design. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different tabs available. Once inside the Effects menu, you're going to click on the option called Curve. This is where the magic happens. The curve effect starts bending your text around a point, creating a circular form. It's a brilliant way to break away from the traditional linear text layouts and inject some flair into your designs. Next, you'll want to make sure that the curve intensity is maximized. There should be a slider bar that you can drag to adjust the degree of the curve. Slide it all the way to the maximum so your text bends into a semicircle or full circle depending on your text size and spacing. This step is essential for creating that bold circular effect. But hold up, your circle might not look perfect just yet. Don't worry though, because it's time to fine tune. For this, you'll click on the spacing icon, which allows you to adjust how much distance there is between each letter in your text. Dragging the slider under letter spacing will help you perfect that circle. Move it left or right until your text forms a smooth, complete circle. And there you have it. With these simple adjustments, you've transformed your regular text into eye-catching circle text in Canva. You can experiment with different fonts and colors to suit your design's theme. It's all about practice and experimentation, so don't hesitate to play around with these settings until you achieve the perfect look. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting design tips.